What's going on, y'all? My name is Ray and welcome back to another Pop Daily podcast. And I just got done doing a Uber and Lyft session, right? And check this out. I've talked about this before. It's about being lazy and laziness. And truly, like, I understand what Uber and Lyft is doing. They're obviously, saving people time and giving people access to, transportation for cheap to get people to point A to point B. But when I say people use this app because they're so freaking lazy, I truly believe it, man. And I'm not gonna sit here and complain, but I just really want to show you guys what I mean. Because I get paid for people that don't want to pick up their own food or something. But check this out. I'll put in a clip of what this guy ordered, and you tell me, like, would you do this yourself? Like, I'll just watch the clip. Yeah, that's all he ordered, was a cup of Coke from Tijuana Flats. Like, how lazy can a person can be? And let's get all the objections out the way, all the cynical comments out the way. We've all been lazy. Can we all agree to the fact that we've all been lazy? We didn't want to do anything. Sometimes we just don't want to get up out of bed and grab a cup of water, but this lazy is like to the next level. This is the type of lazy that really runs businesses. Like, you would spend $9. I mean, I'm not gonna complain. I got paid for it, but holy crap! I mean, I don't know. Look, let's break it down. So when I picked up the cup of Coke from Tijuana Flats, I dropped it off, and the trip was only like 5 minutes down the road, literally 0.3 miles away. And what's funny is, right in front of his, like, past his neighborhood was a gas station and it wasn't in a bad area at all. And I'm like, okay, that dude could have picked up, a bottle of Coke rather than a cup of Coke from Tijuana Flats, which was further down from his neighborhood. And I got to the door, the person there, it wasn't even a guy, because the name on the app was a guy's name. So I guess the dude might have been kind of embarrassed or it might have been like, the boyfriend that ordered a cup of Coke. Maybe it was a girl. I don't know, because it was a girl that picked it up, and they were laughing at the door. So they knew what they were doing, I guess. But really, I don't know. I'm not in their shoes, but holy crap, man! This is what I mean by, like, how I see what like a lot of these older generations are saying now is how these millennials are a lot lazier than we're just lazy. I guess we're all just lazy millennials. Obviously not every millennials are lazy, but this is a prime example. Moral of the story, don't be the $9 Coke person. That's pretty much the title of the story. Don't do it. Don't be that person. And yeah, holy crap. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's all I got for you guys. Peace.